Good afternoon, friend. Yesterday I studied about a spin and which type of a nucleus is a active and which type of a nucleus is a inactive for NMR. It's a and again I will explain. Okay. It's a proton, a hydrogen proton, and proton NMR spectroscopy is a very useful spectroscopy. Okay, the proton, it's a hydrogen have a one mass, and one is not does not completely divided by a 4, so the spin does not equal to a 0, so it's a active nuclei. Okay, and carbon 13 is also the use for a NMR spectroscopy, because the 13 is also not completely divided by 4 and the spin does not equal to 0, and this nucleus is also a active nucleus. But carbon 12 is not used for a NMR spectroscopy, because 12 is completely divided by 4 and spin is equal to 0, and it's this type of a nucleus is a non-active nucleus. Okay, and in my so in my next slide I will try to explain what is a spin. Okay, so each and every nuclei have a proton, and because of the proton, and proton shows a spin movement. Okay, and because of this spin, proton act as a small magnet. Okay, in this figure I will try to explain. This figure, it's a large magnet. Okay, and it's a teeny magnet, and it's a teeny magnet. Okay, so it's a teeny magnet like a proton. Okay, and this magnet have a two pole. First is the south pole and second is the north pole. Okay, and magnet have a property, in case same pole repel to each other and the different pole attract to each other. In this figure, it's a proton magnet, and here is a north pole and here is a north pole. It's a large magnet pole and it's a small proton magnet north pole. Okay, so both are repelled to each other. Why? Because the both are the same plane. Okay, and because of a repulsion, this proton flip and convert into this position, and it's a low energy position, and this position is aligned with this proton, this large magnet direction. Okay, and it's a lower energy position, and it's called the alpha position, and it's a beta position. And after the absorption of electromagnetic radiation, again this proton have a flip and convert into this position, and it's called a beta position, and high energies are required. And that type of phenomena also explained in this figure. It's a large magnetic field, and it's a the small proton. Here is a small proton, and this proton is a field, this magnetic field, and after a feeling of a magnetic field, this proton is the flipping and aligned with large magnetic field, and but after absorption of a magnetic field, this proton convert into this position and 180-degree rotations. Okay, and after a 180-degree rotation, this is not aligned with a large magnetic field. Okay, so it's require a high energy, and it's called a beta position. And in this figure, it's a proton, and electron move around a proton. Okay, and electron rotate around its axis also. Okay, thank you, friend. And in my next slide I will try to explain what is a shielding and what is a de-shielding.